Hello and welcome to another episode of Easy Way in TV. Now, today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to back up your Google Chrome bookmarks. Also where to locate the Google flash files, and how to clear the user data folder. Now, if I just run Google Chrome on the desktop over here, I'll just double click the Google Chrome icon here and just launch that. And as you can see, I've got a start page as my home page, and at the top bar here I've got all my bookmarks. So I've got Apple, Google, Microsoft, YouTube and start page as my bookmarks across the top here. Now if I just close off the window over here, and if I navigate to the Google Chrome folder, so if I go into this PC, then I go to Windows, and then I go over to the folder called Users, double click on there, and in the Users folder is where all the users who log onto this PC are stored. So the user I'm using at the moment is Easy Way in TV. Your user may be just your name, for example. So double click on there. Now in here there's a folder called App Data, but as you can see it's hidden. So if I go up to this ribbon bar here and I go to View, and I go over to Hidden Items, and I check the checkbox there, click that, and there you can see there's the ghosted out app data folder, and then there's another folder here for Microsoft Edge as well. So if I double click on app data folder, one thing I can do is I can make the view ribbon stick to the top. So if I just go back to view there, and you notice it disappeared as soon as I selected the hidden items checkbox. If I just click on the little drawing pin there, I can pin that up to the top so it stays up there as well. So if I just continue and go into local, then go down to Google, I'll just expand this here, that's better. Go into the Chrome folder, user data folder, and then again if you go further forward to default, and if you scroll down just a little bit, you've got here a bookmarks file here, so I'll just click on there. Now if I want to back up a bookmarks, I can simply copy the bookmarks file onto say USB stick or USB drive or into another folder. So if I just say copy, so right click and say copy, just drop that window down there and just create a new folder, right click, new folder, and just call it Chrome Backup. Just hit enter. I'll just move that folder over there, top right, double click and right click and paste. There you can see you've got the bookmarks file in the Chrome Backup folder on my Windows desktop. So if I just minimize that window there, go back down here to default, and if I just right click and say delete, and then I launch Chrome from the desktop here, there you see at the top here the bookmarks have disappeared. So if I just close off Chrome once more, go into my backup, right click, copy, and then paste the file back into here, drop the window, launch again, and you'll see my bookmarks are back. So that's just one easy way of backing up your bookmarks. So I'll just shut that off again. So if I go back to here and I navigate back just once more, and I'll expand this window here. So you notice in the folder here you've got a folder called Pepper Flash. Now Pepper Flash is where Google stores the Flash Player data. So if I double click on the folder there, you'll notice that folder is empty. Now if I say went onto a website which required Flash, Google would go off and attempt to download the Flash files, and it would pop the Flash files in this Pepper Flash folder here. So just some useful information there, so you now know where Flash is installed for Chrome. So it uses a slightly different version for the Chrome browser. So I just click the back button there, and I go back again. Now if you notice here you've got the user data folder. Now say for example Chrome starts playing up and starts misbehaving, and you've gone through and cleared all your history and deleted your extensions and disabled your plugins for example, and it's still playing up, you can go into your user area here and simply delete the user data folder. So this only affects the one user, though not the other users on the PC. So if I just do that now, just to show you what it does. So if I right click and delete the user data folder, click on there, I'll just drop that down and launch Chrome. And now you can see it's gone back to the default settings. So that's just one tip if Google starts misbehaving. I'll just shut that off there. There we are. As you can see there, the Google, for some reason the Google Chrome icon's just gone white, so I can just right click on properties and just go into icon and just reconfirm the icon, just recheck on there, okay, and that will launch again. Okay, so it's just like it's been reinstalled. There we are. Just close that off. So there we are, just a few hints and tips for Google Chrome.